Is your eFootball game lagging, stuttering, or dropping FPS during matches? Does it feel slow even on a good phone? In this video, I'll show you how to fix low FPS and stuttering issues in eFootball on Android. Before starting, make sure you're using a stable internet connection. Switch to a strong Wi-Fi connection or use stable mobile data. Unstable internet can cause lag, delay, and stuttering in online matches. Now follow these fixes one by one. Solution 1. Lower graphics settings. High graphics can cause frame drops and lag on many devices. Launch eFootball and look for the 3-line menu on the bottom right of the title screen. Then tap Graphics Settings. Lower the graphics to standard or low for player and stadium graphics, and set the frame rate to 60 FPS if supported. You can turn them back up once you're on the main menu. Solution 2. Developer Options Tweaks. If you're still seeing frame drops, these hidden settings force the Android system to prioritize the game's rendering. Go to Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap System. Scroll down again and tap Developer Options. If you don't see the developer options, then go to About Phone and tap Build Number 7 times. Now from the debugging sections, enable GPU debug layers. This can help the system manage game graphics instructions better. Scroll a bit and select Graphics Driver Preferences. Find eFootball in the list and switch it from default to System Graphics Driver. That's it. Solution 3. Clear cache and force stop. This is the most common fix. It clears out stuck temporary files without deleting your game data or team. Go to Settings on your device and tap Apps. Then tap See All Apps. Find eFootball and tap it. Tap Force Stop. After that, go to Storage and Cache and tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Storage unless you have your Konami ID linked, as this deletes local data. This removes temporary files that may slow down the game. That's how you fix low FPS and stuttering issues in eFootball on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming fixes and tips. Thanks for watching!